I wanted to share this because this was a bracelet that was broken. One of these was half off, about to come off. And there was just no way I could get in there and do the fine work it would take. And when I researched this bracelet, there was nothing like it. And I have not had good luck selling even jewelry with high sell-through rates. I have found a few pieces that were supposedly valuable, had sold comps. One was a gorgeous necklace, had a sold comp for $158 or $148. Another sold comp for the 30s. I had it down to 15. It still hadn't sold, so I took it off. And I wasn't even going to fight with this one since it was broken. And I could get so many beautiful pieces off of it. And then when I emptied off the broken square, look at this. It's stunning. So I'm going to finish taking it apart. But look at all these beads I got. I got this stone bead. These are like, I believe they're metal. Oh, excuse my dry hands. I don't usually like to get my hands on camera when they're that dry. And then I've got all these beads here. And then I'll have this gorgeous bracelet that I can either leave it as is or add my own decoration to it. They even did the clasp with all these seed beads. So I thought I'd show you, and I'll come back and do a second video when it's completely empty and show you all the stuff I harvested off of it. And I'm just really excited about these metal pieces, which I got two from, they're identical, they alternate, see? And it's just a gorgeous lacy bracelet that I can either maybe try to sell that way or just add a little bit of decoration to. I don't know. I just thought it was really unique and different. I would have tried to sell it if it had not snapped, but I couldn't sell it the way it was. And like I said, I'm just not having good luck selling even pieces that are traditionally valuable for money worth it to me. I'd rather have the gorgeous simple bracelet and all the pieces. So I will be back to show you all the parts and pieces I took off and the finished bracelet. I showed the bracelet in the video I'm uploading right now, a full-length video. And I'm sure people will be mad at me for taking it apart, but I don't care. There are just some times when it's worth the parts to me. And I think this bracelet's going to be a gorgeous piece to work with, or even sell simply like this. And I'm thinking there might have been a creative wire wrapper that found this simple bracelet and did this themselves. I don't know. If it's a piece that was valuable, I couldn't find it. I looked and looked and looked, Google, eBay, everywhere, and could not find anything even close. And if it is valuable, it wouldn't have been valuable with that piece flapping off. And I just didn't want to deal with it. I might have even listed it for a short time. I can't remember. I've had it for years. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll be back with another short video showing you what it looks like completely emptied of all the beads, which I think was interesting, but not my taste. I like some of the individual components, but I'm not a real big fan of this way they did it. But I like all the individual pieces. So I'll be back and show you what the empty bracelet looks like in the next video.